at that point, you'll also have it inside of your intake pipe as well. Make sure to put your hose clamp back on, tighten it down, and you're pretty much good to go. And then all you're gonna have to do is put your vanity cover back on, we'll put the carbon strut on, and we're all done. Okay, so the airbox is back in, so you just fit it back down onto its grommets. Make sure to plug the MAF cable back in. You tighten down your hose clamp here for your intake. Make sure your 10mm is just snug back there so everything is intact. You don't want to introduce any leaks as you do this work, okay? So at this point, you can put your vanity cover back on, and it just goes onto grommets and just fits down onto grommets. So you get your vanity cover back on, and then you put your carbon fiber strut brace back on. You fit it in through the far side, you lay it down on this side. Make sure that you're very careful around your positive battery post. You can see I've covered it with a rubber glove just in case. And then you put all of your bolts back in. Now in this case, they're 14s, so you put your 14s back in. I'll have the correct torque value for those in just a moment, but you put all those back in, the short ones go in front, and you put that short 10mm bolt back into the reservoir where it attaches to your carbon strut brace. And at that point, you're done. All right, y'all, so really quickly, the install's done. Looks really, really good. Let's take a close look at the pipes. So I love the fit and finish here. The surface of these pipes is really, really good. And as I mentioned earlier, you've got the bung pipes as well that are available. But all in all, great quality. I love the way these look, and these are going to perform really, really well in this car.